Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make fried rice with chicken, Asian food. We have boiled rice, we have eggs, onion, we have frozen carrot, peas, corn, soya sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, we have ginger, have garlic, and 200 grams of chicken. Let's start. First, we put small spoon of sesame oil, small spoon of oyster sauce, and small spoon of soya sauce. We mix it with the chicken. And we put one small spoon of cornstarch. We mix it with the chicken and we leave it for 10 minutes. For the sauce, we put one small spoon of soya sauce, one small spoon of white vinegar with little water. We mix it and we leave it. We put little oil with the chicken. We mix it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we take the chicken out and we leave it to go to another step. Now we put little oil, we put the white onion and small spoon of ginger, small spoon of garlic. We mix it for 2 minutes together. After 2 minutes, we put the frozen mix vegetable. We mix it together for 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes, we put the eggs. We mix the eggs for 1 minute. We mix it with the vegetable. After 2 minutes, we take the chicken back. We mix it together for 1 minute. And after, we put the boiled rice and we mix it together for 2 minutes. We leave it in the medium fire for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we put the sauce. We mix it together for 2 minutes more and our food will be done. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.